Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that silently derails so many of us. Self-sabotage, specifically through the lens of perfectionism. If you've ever felt paralyzed by the need for everything to be just right, or delayed starting something because it wasn't perfect in your head, then this video is for you. So, let's start by defining what we mean by perfectionism. It's often misunderstood as simply striving for excellence, but true perfectionism is different. It's the relentless pursuit of flawless standards, often unattainable ones, accompanied by harsh self-criticism when those standards aren't met. It's less about achievement and more about avoiding failure or judgment. Healthy striving pushes you forward. Perfectionism often holds you back. Now, how does this drive for perfection become a form of self-sabotage? Well, there are several common ways. The first is through procrastination and inaction. If something isn't perfect, why even start? We tell ourselves we need more time, more resources, or just a better idea, when in reality, we're just avoiding the messy, imperfect process of creation. This leads to missed deadlines, unfulfilled goals, and a growing pile of someday projects. Another way perfectionism sabotages us is by fostering an intense fear of failure or criticism. If you're constantly aiming for flawlessness, any deviation from that feels like a catastrophic failure. This can prevent us from taking risks, trying new things, or putting our work out into the world. Imagine never submitting that job application or launching that business idea because you're terrified it won't be absolutely perfect. Perfectionism can also lead to burnout and exhaustion. The constant striving, the endless revisions, the inability to ever feel satisfied with your work takes a massive toll on your mental and physical health. You might find yourself working extra hours, constantly tweaking, and still feeling like it's not good enough, leaving you depleted and demotivated. So, how do we break free from this cycle? Here are a few practical strategies. First, embrace good enough. Seriously. Understand that done is often better than perfect. Set realistic standards and accept that imperfections are a natural part of any creative or productive process. Your first draft, your first attempt, your first anything doesn't need to be your final masterpiece. It just needs to exist. Second, focus on progress, not perfection. Instead of waiting for the ideal moment, take small, consistent steps. Celebrate those small wins. Each step, no matter how tiny, moves you forward and builds momentum. This helps shift your mindset from a fear of failure to a joy of making progress. Third, challenge your inner critic. When that voice tells you it's not good enough, ask yourself, is this truly a necessary improvement, or is it my perfectionism talking? Sometimes, good is good enough, and chasing that extra 5% of perfection isn't worth the emotional cost or the delay. Finally, seek feedback early and often. Don't wait until you think something is perfect to show it to others. Get input on your rough drafts, your early ideas. This not only helps you improve, but also desensitizes you to the idea that your work needs to be flawless before anyone sees it. Overcoming perfectionism is a journey, not a destination. But by recognizing its subtle traps and actively working against them, you can free yourself from self-sabotage and start achieving your true potential. What's your biggest struggle with perfectionism? I'd love to hear your experiences and tips in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal growth and productivity. And remember, the world needs your imperfect contributions more than your perfect intentions. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.